Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing two varieties of watermelon juice, sweet and salty. First let's prepare the sweet one. Into the blending jar add 1 cup of watermelon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, pinch of cardamom powder. Add some ice cubes, close the lid and blend it. Into the serving glass I am adding finely chopped watermelon and then pour the juice. Now it's ready to serve. We'll prepare the salty one. Add the watermelon in the blending jar. Add black salt, cumin powder, chaat masala and blend it. Add some ice cubes in the serving glass and then pour the juice. Now sweet and salty watermelon juices are ready to serve. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen. And for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.